I'm Glysia. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I graduated from JNU College of Engineering, Pulivendala in the stream of ECE. When I am in college, I was not knowing about in-depth concepts of C, C++, and C. When I joined Emertxe, in-depth, I learned about C and data structures, C++, and MC and Linux. With the in-depth knowledge of C, C++, and most importantly Linux and MC, by learning these concepts in-depth, we can get placed in big MNCs. Coming to mentors, they helped in-depth knowledge with the hands-on experience, and I did 4 projects in C and 2 projects in MC and 2 projects in LI and 2 projects in DS. It helps to get confident in those subjects, and after every module we have a module test. We need to clear that, and in between we have surprise test, and placement team will daily review on our growth where we are lagging in. I have done 10 projects totally. To get confident in every subject, we need to get hands-on experience. While attending interviews, we need to explain. In interview, almost at least we can get 2 to 3 projects we need to explain to the interviewer. In C, I did steganography, address book, MP3 tag reader, lexical analyzer, source to HTML. In MC, I did 2 projects, car black box and pick to light. I have attended 2 interviews. In the second interview, I got placed in Maxwell. Mentors, placement team, lab mentors, everyone will help even after the class. We can ask doubts at any time. Even if you are lagging at any point, they will guide us how to do that. I would highly recommend those who want to pursue the career in embedded domains. You can join Emertxe.